This is Liam whining because he wants attention. He's halfway laughing, halfway crying. Now watch what happens when I get up and walk away. You see how quick that changed? And when I come back, he's okay. And then I walk away. And then I come back. And he's fine. And then I walk away. This has become a daily routine. And then now I've upset him permanently. And then and he's okay.